In October this year is when my life hit probably my worst bottom ever. That's when I tried to commit suicide. That was my second attempt. When I woke up from a drug overdose, I had realized that it had come to an end. I needed help, and I needed help immediately. My drug and alcohol abuse started when I was around 10 years old. And as the days and the weeks and months went by, I found myself a full-blown addict by the time I was 13, 14 years old. Everything at a very young age started to fall apart for me. For the next 30, 35, 40 years, I've struggled with drug addiction and alcoholism. In that time, I've been to 3 30-day drug centers and fistfuls of 3-day, 4-day hospital stays just to try to sober up and stay clean. None of them helped me with very much success. The problem with most of the other treatment centers was they never got to the core of my problems. When I first got here to Infinite Possibilities, I was happy, and I started to feel comfortable right away. It was an individual treatment center that was tailored for my needs and not just everybody else's that would come here. They addressed the core issues that are making me use, and not just allowing me or just taking me to a place where I would sober up and get off the drugs and not address the issues that were underlying and causing my use. My program focused on the 4 quadrants: mind, body, heart, and spirit. And they started to guide me on a journey that would lead me to freedom in the end. First, I had to unwind all the tangled thoughts in my head, which they started to do slowly but surely. And then we started to proceed with going deeper and deeper into my heart. Physically, emotionally, and mentally, I started to feel better. I started to think clearer. My perception was becoming sharper, and my heart started to come into the picture, and it started to open up very, very wide for me for the first time in decades. My stay here at Infinite Possibilities wasn't all hard work and deep, dark issues and everything like that. There was lots of very fun things that I got to experience. We went on excursions, rode motorbikes, we went to see the elephants, the Tiger Zoo. We got to do many fun things. I also realized that the other clients were pretty much in the same boat as I am. I realized that I needed their support as well as they needed mine. The clients, the staff, the therapists, everybody that's been here has been really, really nice. The most important thing that I want to convey about my stay here is the transformation that's happened to me with the help of my therapist. Before I got here, and when I first got here, I was so deeply depressed and I had no hope at all. This is the first time after treatment that I've ever felt that I've got all the opportunities in the world. It's amazing for me to think that just a month, 2 months ago, my whole heart was filled with blackness, with darkness. Now my future looks brighter, and now I have the opportunity to be a good father. I can be there for my daughter, and I can be a very good husband now. I'm so excited to pursue my life now with a fresh start.